Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Python programming. Python is one of the most popular and versatile programming languages in the world, and for good reason. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned programmer, Python has something to offer you. So, let's get started. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. It's a high-level, interpreted language, which means it's designed to be easy to read and write, and you don't need to compile your code before running it. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners, but its powerful features also make it suitable for complex projects. There are several reasons why Python is a great choice for programming. First, it's easy to learn and use. Python's syntax is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy to pick up, even for those new to programming. It's designed to be readable and concise, reducing the amount of code you need to write. Second, Python is incredibly versatile. It's a general-purpose language, meaning you can use it for a wide range of applications. Whether you're interested in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, or automation, Python has you covered. Third, Python has a large community and support. There is a vast and active community of developers, which means there's an abundance of resources available, from tutorials and documentation to forums and libraries. If you ever run into a problem, chances are someone else has already solved it. Finally, Python comes with extensive libraries and frameworks that make development faster and easier. For example, if you're into data science, you can use libraries like Pandas and NumPy. For web development, there's Django and Flask. Now, let's take a look at some basic syntax and features of Python. Here's a simple example to print "Hello, world" to the console. Python print "Hello, world."